Two North Kildonan hair and spa salons held a special event on Sunday, helping out an organization that makes children's dreams come true. Evolure Salon and Violet Salon and Spa in Winnipeg's North Kildonan neighborhood hosted their annual Cut-A-Thon supporting the Dream Factory. The Manitoba charity helps out children fighting life-threatening illnesses by making their dreams come true. The salon offered haircuts for $25, with all proceeds going to the charity. The salon's owner, Marina Melo Cabral, says her brother Johnny got his wish fulfilled by the charity before succumbing to cancer. In Johnny's case, his wish was having a gaming center.
He'd go for chemo for 3 weeks in the hospital, or a week in the hospital, and come home for 3, and then he would get to have his entertainment and not think about chemo. So it was just a wonderful. This organization deserves a lot of attention, and that's why we do it.
Live music, face painting, and raffles were also big attractions. Winnipeg Blue Bombers running back Brady Oliveira also showed up, taking photos and signing shirts for attendees.